What's up? Hey you guys, good morning. So anyways, I'm just getting ready to go sort out these clothes because my boyfriend is taking them to the laundromat. I usually stay home with Bree while he goes and wash. So yeah. So tell me why I was looking at my underwear like that. Like, girl, what? Anyways, so my mother, she surprised me with some breakfast. I was so grateful and thankful for that. Yes, I'm diving in, girl. I was hungry. Okay. She thought I was home alone with Brie, and Brie don't give me a chance sometimes to do nothing. So she was so sweet enough to bring me some breakfast. So yay. Hey you guys, what's up? Anyway, so it's later on, much later on in the afternoon. Babe took the clothes to the laundromat. I don't go because it doesn't make any sense me going. So I just stay home with the baby. And yeah, it just feels so good. Like when you have clean clothes, girl, like it feels amazing. Whew, I feel like I can breathe again. Yes. Bree is about to get cranky, so I have to get out this car seat. She's twitching and jumping and okay, Bree. So mini tour. Okay, so here's IMAX, the theater. It's very small. I know you can't really see it, but yeah, they have more than one things in there. And right around the corner is our national bird, the flamingo. Yeah, big and tall in the center. Okay. So moving right along, so we're just gonna pass the biggest resort in Nassau, Bahama. At least my boyfriend, he was like, "This is the biggest resort in Nassau. Bahama is bigger than Atlantis." I don't know, girl. We're just gonna go with that, okay? Yeah. So we're leaving Bahama behind. Yeah. Bye bye. So, anyways, we have reached our destination. We just came on the beach just to chill and take pictures of Pri Pri. Yeah, that's my cutie cutie. And this one is so funny coming up. She looked like an old church lady to me. But anyways, so we're just getting ready to leave the beach. Bam. So just enjoy the little scenery because I'll be back in a couple seconds. Okay. So anyways, y'all, we decided to stop at Fish Fry to get some comforters. We stopped at one of our favorite stalls called Fish Fry, but they were closed. They've been closed for quite a minute. I don't know why. So we was like, okay, let's go to the next stall of Fish Fry. So we had to turn back around and go to the next stall of Fish Fry, which is Twin Brothers. And by the way, I used to work with Twin Brothers. But anyways, moving right along. Baby, one thing about it, like I always have to pee anywhere I go. I don't know. I have a small bladder. I don't know what's the problem. Anyways, took a potty break, and I was looking in this mirror and I was like, damn, I got so big. Like I'm huge. I'm just looking at myself. Ugh. But anyways, here's the fritters. Oh my gosh, it's time to dig in. They were quite decent. They was good. Not like our favorite place out there, but yeah, and we're done. So, yeah, let's go back home. Hey y'all, so anyways, I'm back home. But the makeup is bad because as you guys know, we went to a laundromat. So everything had to get washed. So yay. I just wanna relax. Um I want to read a book, read some pages of the book, and just fucking relax. But I can't do that because mothers, we don't get breaks. I still have Brianna to deal with. So I can't just relax unless she's sleeping. What happened? That's good luck, man. I can't read. Say good morning to the people. Hey, bananas. My bananas. Good morning. It's actually after 12, guys. Anyways, so let's start our day. It's the next day. Anyways, guys, so like I said, the day is the next day. I got those clothes to fold up. I'm so sleepy. Okay. Oh my gosh, Brianna's about to cry. So I really don't get no sleep at night again, you know? Like, Brianna gets up all the time for her bottle now. And she goes to sleep. But she gets up, and then I have to try and meditate to put myself back to sleep, you know? Or sometimes she be up for like an hour before she does go back to sleep. So that has me like tired. Anyways, let me deal with her real quick. Okay, guys, I have to sort of these clothes. Hold on. Alright, packing. Okay, guys, so I'm planning on locking my hair. Okay, these are not the locks. I just have these up in this twist, in these twists, because I don't want my hair to be out. Okay, but I really want to lock my hair, and I'm praying to God I don't relax this. Okay, I'm really trying to give my hair a chance, because I know this is gonna take so freaking long to grow while it's natural. You know, if I relax my hair is gonna pull out and grow faster. So, and I can put it up in ponytails and stuff like that. But I'm praying to God I don't relax my hair, girl. Because I've been thinking about it last night. Like, I make impulsive decisions just like that. And I really want, this is my second time attempting to try and lock my hair. Let me fix Brianna real quick.
Like falling down these lies again. This feeling that I have deep down inside. I just wanna be the one you need. And now I need you by my side. I can't sleep at night. Let's get lost in time. Leave it all behind. I can't get enough of that. slow down.